In this video, I'll show you how to block a call on Android phone. So if you want to block a number from calling you, this is quite easy to do. Now, if you already do have the number saved, you can go ahead and open your dialer, then look up the person you'd want to block. Tap and open their number profile. Here you can scroll all the way to the bottom or tap on the settings gear at the top right corner of your screen. Here you see the option to block number. Tap on block. You can report the number as spam to warn other people of a spam caller. Once you're ready, tap on block and the number will be blocked from calling you. You can always come back here and unblock the number. Now, to block a number that isn't stored on your device, you can go directly to numbers profile and you see block under the number. You can also go to your settings on your Android phone. Simply tap on the three dots and then tap on settings. Under settings, tap on blocked numbers and then tap on add a number. You can enter the number of the contact you'd like to block in this section. Once you've entered the number, tap on block and the contact will be blocked from calling you. You can always come back here to unblock. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe for more tips.